Hello everyone, I am Anand Srivastav, PGT Mathematics, teaching at 11 and 12 level and in a CBSE board. Today I am in front of you to discuss about the new subject introduced by the CBSE. As you know that from this year CBSE has introduced one new subject called Applied Mathematics from the session 2020-21 onwards. It is a very good decision taken by the CBSE. As you know that syllabus of the mathematics subject previously going on is not suitable or comfortable for the students of the commerce stream and arts stream. In this subject, CBSE has introduced the chapters of applied nature of mathematics, which are very useful for the students of the commerce stream and arts stream or humanities stream. It is very useful for those students also who have taken the mathematics for the help of in their subject, science subjects, physics, chemistry and in biology. Many students has taken the mathematics just for the sake of help of these subjects, means in physics, chemistry and somehow in biology. The major part are used in these subjects are calculus, somehow in trigonometry. Another chapters introduced here. We will discuss these chapters one by one and their topic details as given by the CBSE syllabus in their site. So let us go to discuss these chapters unit wise and topic wise. So dear students, you can see here curriculum for the academic year 2021. CBSE has introduced this new subject as a elective subject, applied mathematics. You can see in circle. So here you can see that the letter from CBSE of 1st April 2020. The subject Introduction of Applied Mathematics as an academic elective at senior secondary level. Here it is clearly mentioned that it has been observed that the existing syllabus of mathematics align with science subjects only, but does not align well with commerce or social science subjects in university education. So by keeping this in mind, one more elective subject is introduced. Here one more thing it is mentioned that topic covered in 2 years shall aim to enable students to use mathematical knowledge in field of business, economics and social sciences. Here you can see that applied mathematics whose code is 241 starting from the current session, that is 2020-21 for class 11. This course can be opted by the students of class 11. One more thing here it is mentioned that his student who want to opt for higher studies in mathematics at the university level as an elective or went to take admission in mathematics honors course or engineering course may take mathematics of the previous code, that is 041. One more thing I want to mention here that the students who has taken the basic mathematics in class 10, they can also apply for this subject, and even the student who took the standard mathematics, they can also apply for this. But for 041 means previous mathematics code, only the students who has taken the standard mathematics at class 10, they can apply for that. Now let us have a look for the syllabus of the applied mathematics, which is going to be taught at class 11 level. I'm going to share the PDF. Now let us have a look for the syllabus of class 12. What in class 12 we have to study? Let us have a look. Okay, after discussing the chapters introduced by the CBSE in the subject of applied mathematics at class 11, and overall the syllabus of this applied mathematics is very good, which is very useful for the students of commerce streams, humanities stream, biology stream students. They want to be a doctor or something in that area in which the pure mathematics is not used, but they have to study these things, and many students get failure due to this. So I think the decision has been taken very good. I recommend this subject to those students who don't want to go in a mathematics in a higher level. They can take it at the 11th level, and they can study their mainstream. They can give the time to their mainstream. Here the subjects are totally in a applied nature, which is very good decision. So I recommend this subject for the commerce stream students, humanities stream students, and even for science stream who has taken biology as their future aim. Thank you.